How to make a paycheck stub. Confirm you're authorized to create a pay stub as an employer, payroll administrator, or for your own accurate records. Then gather required information like the employee name, address, last four digits of SSN or employee ID, employer name, address, EIN, pay period dates, pay date, hourly rate or salary, hours worked, and any bonuses and commissions. Choose a legal method. Use a reputable payroll software. Use a free, honest pay stub generator, or use a Google Sheets/Excel stub template with formulas. Enter employer information like the company name, address, and EIN. Enter employee information like the full name, address, employee ID, or last four SSN digits, and job title/position. Then enter pay details like the pay period start/end dates, pay date, hourly rate, or salary amount, regular hours, overtime, and any PTO hours. Add earnings, regular pay, overtime, bonuses, commissions, or other income. Enter deductions, federal/state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, health insurance, retirement like 401k, and any other legitimate deductions. Calculate the totals, so gross pay, total deductions, net pay, year-to-date totals. Review everything for accuracy and ensure all numbers match your actual payroll records. Then save and distribute the pay stub as a PDF or print it and keep a copy for your records. Comply with your state's pay stub laws. Some states like California require specified itemized details on wage statements. If this helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.